Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll take a look at the E-Signature field. The E-Signature field enables users to electronically sign the form before completing the submission process. It allows a secure digital signature to be added directly within the form. To get started, open your form in the editor. In this form, the user first enters their name, email, and confirms consent using the checkbox. Now from the field panel, drag the e-signature field and place it after the consent checkbox. This ensures the user has reviewed the information and explicitly agreed before adding their signature, keeping the form flow clear and intentional. Open the e-signature field settings. At the top of the settings panel, you will see the required field toggle. Enable this option if the user must sign the form before submitting it. If they attempt to submit the form without providing a signature, MakeForms will display an error and prevent submission until the signature is added. Then below that, you will find helper text. Use this to explain why the user is being asked to sign. For example, you can add a short message like, "Please sign to provide your consent." You can display this either as a small info icon that appears on hover or as a short line of text shown below the signature field. Choose the option that best fits your form layout. When the form is live, users will see a signature area. They can draw their signature using a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. If needed, they can clear the signature and sign again before submitting the form. Once the signature is added, the form can be submitted normally. After the form is submitted, the signature is saved along with the response. This gives you a complete record of the submission, including the user's signed confirmation. The e-signature field can also be used inside Document Generator. Imagine you have a consent form that collects the employee's name, email, a consent confirmation, and their signature. Go to Integrations. Then add the Document Generator and select Start from Scratch. Enter a name for your document, then click Continue. This opens the document editor. For this demo, paste a simple employee consent agreement into the editor. Inside the editor, you can also insert the employee's details into the document. Type the @ symbol and select the employee name field from your form to map it into the agreement. Let's add the signature. Click the plus icon to insert a new element. You will notice that the signature option is only enabled if your form already contains an e-signature field. Since our consent form includes one, the option will be active. Select Signature, and a signature section will be added to your document. Inside that section, choose your existing e-signature field from the form to map it. You can add multiple signature fields by clicking the Add Signature button. Now, whenever an employee fills out the consent form, MakeForms automatically generates a completed document using your template. The employee's submitted signature appears directly in the signature section of the generated document. That's how the e-signature field works in MakeForms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.